For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a lip balm business can be an exciting and profitable venture, especially with growing demand for natural, homemade, or specialty personal care products. Thanks to free AI tools available today, launching your lip balm brand is more accessible than ever. You can streamline research, planning, branding, marketing, and more, all without costly resources. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, using AI tools that help simplify each phase. Step 1. Research the lip balm market and competitors. Before diving into production, it's important to understand your target market and competition. Use AI-powered search tools like ChatGPT to gather data on popular lip balm trends, consumer preferences, price points, and key competitors. You can ask ChatGPT questions such as, can you analyze current trends in the lip balm market and list popular flavors or ingredients? Or, who are the top lip balm brands, and what marketing strategies do they use? This research will help you identify a niche or unique selling proposition for your lip balm brand. Step 2. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan lays the foundation for your business's success. Use ChatGPT to help you draft a detailed business plan that includes your vision, target audience, product ideas, sourcing, budget, and sales goals. You can prompt ChatGPT with, help me write a business plan for a natural lip balm startup, including market analysis, product development, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Review and tailor the output to match your goals and resources. Step 3. Develop your lip balm formula. Product quality is crucial. To develop your lip balm recipe, you can research ingredients and formulations using AI tools. ChatGPT can assist by suggesting natural ingredients, benefits, and simple DIY recipes. For example, prompt, what are some effective natural ingredients for moisturizing lip balm, and how do I combine them safely? For more technical formulation support, use AI-powered platforms like FormulaBot, if accessible free versions exist, or browse open-source cosmetic formulation guides suggested by AI. Step 4. Design your brand identity. Strong branding attracts customers and builds trust. Use AI design tools such as Canva's free version or Loca's Logo Maker to create your logo, color schemes, and packaging mockups. AI tools offer templates and generate ideas based on your inputs. You can prompt an AI design assistant with, I want a clean, natural-themed logo for a lip balm brand aimed at young adults. Suggest styles, fonts, and color palettes. Combine these design suggestions with your vision to develop a cohesive brand identity. Step 5. Write product descriptions and marketing content. Clear, persuasive content helps sell your lip balm. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging product descriptions, social media posts, and website copy. You can input prompts like, write a compelling product description for a lavender and shea butter lip balm that emphasizes natural ingredients and hydration benefits. Or, create 5 social media captions promoting a new line of flavored lip balms targeting eco-conscious consumers. This will save you time and provide professional-sounding marketing material. Step 6. Set up your online store. To sell your lip balm, create an online store. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy are popular but may require fees. For a free option, you can build a simple website using AI-powered website builders such as Wix's free tier, which offers AI assistance for layouts and content suggestions. Use prompts like, help me create an online store homepage for my natural lip balm brand with sections for product listings, customer testimonials, and an about page. This accelerates the setup process even if you have limited technical skills. Step 7. Plan your marketing strategy. A solid marketing plan ensures your lip balm reaches potential customers. Use ChatGPT to develop a comprehensive marketing plan that covers social media, influencer collaborations, email campaigns, and SEO strategies. Prompt examples include, Create a 3-month marketing plan for a startup lip balm brand focusing on Instagram and TikTok. Or suggest effective ways to increase lip balm sales through influencer marketing on a limited budget. This plan can guide your daily and weekly promotional activities. Step 8. Source ingredients and packaging. Use AI to help find suppliers for ingredients and packaging by drafting professional inquiry emails or searching for wholesale sources. You can prompt ChatGPT with, write an email template to inquire about wholesale natural beeswax and organic oils for lip balm production. Or list free online directories to find sustainable packaging suppliers for cosmetic products. AI can assist in managing communication and supplier research efficiently. Step 9. Manage finances and legal requirements. Ensure your business complies with local regulations, including labeling and safety standards for cosmetics. Use AI to help you summarize these requirements based on your location. For financial management, AI tools like Wave, free accounting software, can help track expenses and sales. ChatGPT can assist by answering questions such as, what cosmetic labeling requirements should I know for selling lip balm in the United States? And suggest a simple budget template for tracking startup costs and revenues in a small lip balm business. Step 10. Launch and collect customer feedback. Once your lip balms are ready, launch your online store and promote it following your marketing plan. Use AI chatbots or survey tools like Google Forms to collect customer feedback, which you can analyze with AI summarization tools. Prompt ChatGPT. How can I design a customer feedback survey for a new lip balm product to improve future batches? Feedback will help you refine your product and service. Conclusion. Starting a lip balm business is achievable with determination and the smart use of free AI tools. From market research to branding, marketing, and customer engagement, AI can support and speed up your efforts while keeping costs low. Leveraging these technologies gives you a professional edge and flexibility as you build your brand. Stay focused on quality and customer experience, and your lip balm business can flourish in today's competitive personal care market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.